In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize dashboards in Monday.com fast and easy. Whether you're just starting out or you're a seasoned pro, getting your dashboard just right is essential for managing your projects effectively. With a well-organized dashboard, all your crucial data is at your fingertips, ready for action. Today, I'm going to walk you through how to make the most out of your dashboard customization options. First things first, let's start by opening your dashboard. Once you're in, you'll be greeted with a page that holds all of your essential project information. This is your workspace's heart and soul, so having it set up to suit your specific needs is crucial. Once you've opened your dashboard, you'll want to start customizing it to better align with your workflow. To kick off your customization journey, look towards the top of your dashboard and click on the button that says Plus Add Widget. This is your gateway to enhancing your dashboard with new functionalities. Think of widgets as your dashboard's building blocks. They provide you different view options and data insights, from charts and timelines to workload and battery options, which are excellent for keeping on top of project statuses. Next, let's talk about rearranging these widgets. After you've added a widget, you have the freedom to position it wherever you want. It's as simple as dragging and dropping the widget into your preferred location on the dashboard. This drag and drop functionality allows you to prioritize what you need most, placing your high-priority insights front and center for quick access. Moving on. Once you have your widgets where you want them, it's time to delve deeper into customizing them to ensure they display exactly what you need. To do this, you'll want to use the settings icon found on each widget. By clicking this icon, you can delve into a variety of options. Each widget comes with its own set of unique customization settings, allowing you to tailor the data it displays, choose how the information is visualized, and adjust any parameters pertinent to your project needs. By following these steps, you set the stage for a dashboard that not only showcases the information you need, but does so in a way that aligns with your workflow and personal preferences. Remember, your dashboard is yours to mold, so don't hesitate to play around with it and make adjustments as your projects evolve. This flexibility ensures that as your projects grow, your dashboard will grow with them, providing you with an at-a-glance overview that is both comprehensive and manageable. And there you have it. Customizing your dashboard in Monday.com is a straightforward process, but one that can significantly enhance your productivity and project oversight. Keep experimenting with the widgets and settings until you find the perfect configuration for your needs. Thanks for watching, and happy customizing.